What's up, guys? We're playing Roblox for today with, I think it's called Squid Game. We're going to play.
Squid Game naman pala.
Yeah, it's Squid Game. I know. Okay, I'm sorry. We're going to play Roblox. I'm here with Macy, my niece, whom I blogged in my earlier years. Earlier years? Filipino kasi tayo, guys. Embrace natin yon. Okay, sorry for the delay. Macy's a bit problematic.
Si Uy, frog naman. Where are you?
Let's start. Let's enter the game. The intermission, they call it.
We're here.
Okay. I hope this goes well. The last time I played, I did not have a good experience with my teammates. They tried to kill me. But that's understandable. Na papatay nila ako, syempre, patayan to, diba? Yun nga yung point ng Squid Game. You have to kill each other to win. Or eliminate each other, but let's try to survive.
Ox natin.
Ox na. It's okay.
Ox, okay na.
Okay na, good. And how much longer? 1 minute. Bro, may sunog. Susunog si Wait, is that Thanos? Whoa, aura farming si Tungtung Sahur.
Astiga.
Why is Tungtung Sahur here?
Hindi yung si Tungtong.
Oh, yun no, si Tungtung Sahur. Tapos nakita ko
I'm Cora.
si parang is that I think that was Thanos getting burned alive. But never mind.
Doy, sahur.
Oh, malapit na. 30 seconds. Yan na si Kuya Guards.
Pasok na?
Hindi pa. Papatayin nila.
Napatay.
They're going to gun us down.
Oh! Naka-ano? Tayo.
Yeah.
Nakatalon lang.
They were just aura farming hard.
Para mamatay sila. Ayan natin. Let's go. 2, 1. Tara na.
Where?
Teleporting na.
Yeah.
Corny mo. English.
I can't help it. It's my accent. Yeah, it's kind of, it feels unnatural speaking English, but you guys have to understand. I'm not comfortable speaking English that well or fluently speaking English that
Ito yung manaintindihan ng mga bata.
Of course, if they were born speaking English, they would understand me somewhat. But Filipinos, of course, as long as you are literate in English.
Ano ako te? Okay ako.
Yeah, okay. You can speak Tagalog. I can edit this in the subtitles. I can translate it for you. Kaya ko yan i-translate for you guys.
Ito ko, bakit mo ko iniiwan? Ano number
Kasi
mo?
mas aura farming ako sa inyo guys. Kita niyo ako. Ako si number 405.
Ako 84.
Player 405.
Ako
Player
oh.
084.
Sorry guys, nabubulol ako.
Same.
Hindi ako maro.
Of course, we're gonna skip. You can watch until it's skipped though. Welcome players. Your lives na it skipped.
Wala.
Because the players
Nagtampo siya,
voted
te.
to skip.
Nagtampo siya.
Yeah.
Kasi iniskip mo daw.
Oh, my bad. Oh, Thanos. Is that Thanos getting burned alive? Okay, let's start. Let's head
na?
to the entrance. Yes. Go to the elevator. Of course, red light, green light for the first game. The classic one from the first
Ang gulo
movie.
naman.
I think it's movie.
Movie naman talaga.
Yeah, or I think it was a series. I don't know.
Saan ka, te?
First
Saan ka
gate.
pumasok?
With the flaming Thanos. Where are you?
Ito nga si Thanos.
Saan ka?
Nandito ako sa loob.
O, diba? Si Thanos yun, diba? Flaming Thanos. Dapat
Oh my god, I'm so
Thanos
kabado,
has to be with the,
kabado.
wait.
Kabado.
Tinidor or fork. Not on fire,
Kita
though.
ko.
Okay.
Tapos tutulakin
I'm
ka.
quite scared. Baka tulakin nila ako.
Ate,
Lalayo ako. I'm going a bit far. Para hindi ako matulak. I'm going to distance myself.
Uy guys, wag niyo ako tutulak ha.
Welcome, contestants. To win this game, move when you hear green light. Do not move when you hear red
Ano yung park
light.
stand?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Stop.
Ano yung park stand?
I don't know. Where are you? Where are you, Macy? Where are you?
Ano? Ba't ako tinamaan?
Don't die.
Lo, ako na naman. Lo, wala akong ginagawa madiba. Ako na naman, di ba?
Baka lag ka.
Tapos ang sinana ng takbo ko.
You have to stay still.
Ang bilis! Ang layo ko pa!
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Asang bagal ko?
Kaya mo yan. Patience. You have to survive. Yes. Where are you?
Ito o.
I'll try to save you.
Saka, yun sa mga maglalaki.
If you're close, I'm going to save you.
Ano, bakit ako?
Where are you?
Ilang oras pa?
I think 1 minute. You can still do it. Saan ka na? Where are you?
Kay tong sahur.
Tung sahur.
Malapit dun.
Aw, this guy hit me. Ah, kita. I see you. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 60 seconds remaining.
Save me.
Okay, stay still. I'll try.
Anong bilis?
Don't move.
I'm not move.
Huwag kang malaw.
Go.
Paano kita save?
Try mo tong pork stand.
Hindi yan.
Nakita ko
Interact.
yun.
Carry. Wait lang. Okay.
Mamamatay na ako. Ate, mamamatay na ni.
We can do this.
Oh my god.
You were too slow.
Kasalanan ko ba yun?
Yes.
Nalayo ako sa'yo eh. Anong gagawin? Te?
We're dead.
Ano ang gagawin?
We have to return to the lobby and try again.
Return to log.
Kasi namatay ka.
Bakit ako?
So, ulitin natin yun, guys. Kasi namatay dito si Macy. Of course.
Kasi di ako marunong nito.
Okay. I'm waiting for you. I really don't know. I see, may nakita akong videos on TikTok that you can push someone to...
Push?
Yeah, you can push them.
Sabi mo shoes.
Push. So they can make it past the line. Are you already inside the circle? Yeah, good. Intermission. Another waiting time because Macy died. But that's alright. And I'm player 153.
Ako. 130.
130. Whoa, kita nyo to, guys.
Hello pa yun.
Let's dance. Ah, you can dance.
How? Ano?
I don't know. I want to dance too.
Ate, ang porno mo talaga mag-English.
Do you have a problem with me speaking English?
Wala.
Nah, it's like, it's a pabebe time.
Baby.
Pabebe yung English ko daw.
Hindi. Corny.
Corny. Why is it corny?
Like popcorn.
Popcorn. Like, I can also notice it. From me speaking Tagalog and speaking English, I sound very different.
Alam niyo ba guys, si ate sobrang hilig niya mag-English.
No, I don't. I don't like speaking English.
Ano ko nga eh, bata, elementary,
When I was a kid, I can understand English
Tagalog.
English better than my own language, Tagalog. I don't know why, but maybe because I used to watch a lot of English, said my mother when I was a kid, so I have a better field of words when I was a kid in English. Rather than deep Tagalog, it was very hard for me to understand. It got to the point where I refused to go to school because of it, but my mother went to school and confronted the teacher.
Ano ate, ang dami mong daldal. Dapat
No.
na lang i-okay mo.
We don't have Robux to buy any privileges here. We're just poor.
Or daw, pero naka-robux siya.
Yes.
Robux.
But we don't have any excess Robux to spend on the game.
Kasi 7 na lang yung robux mo.
Yeah. Hole. What does this guy mean, hole?
Waiting for participants.
Participants.
O diba guys, halata naman.
Okay. The mask guy is here. Okay, don't die this time. It's getting annoying. You have to live.
Nakakainis.
Or you just have to follow me.
Eh di nga kita makita eh. No guys, di ko siya makita.
Okay, we're about to start. Red light, green light, second round. Please don't die, Macy.
I will gonna die.
Okay, let's go.
Cause I won't die. Gusto ko mamatay.
Yep.
Nakapasok pa.
Okay.
Kita.
Doon tayo sa may second door, guys.
Sige.
Para may iba naman yung pace. Lagi ako sa first door nagsisilabasan eh. Kasi siya yung nearest door. So, I want to be different.
O ate, nandito na second doors. Nandito ka.
Yung kulay blue. Here.
Ay, dyan.
Wala.
Wala, sinabugan ako. Saan ka?
Second door. Yan o, yan. Yes.
Kasi naman. Paligit na tayo.
Yeah. Okay.
Dapat gitna din tayo.
Yeah, ito. Saan ka?
Sa gitna. Ako.
Uy, ba't ako nakikipaglaban? Why is this guy beating me up?
Saan ka, te?
Ha?
Hindi ka ito makita.
Where are you? At dito ako. Hanapin mo yung red headband ko.
Papanapin mo pa ako. Ayun ka.
Don't move. I'm going to kill you.
Ano?
Misha.
Nakuha na ko. Nandiyan ka.
Be careful. Be careful. Please. I haven't passed this round.
Ano ako
I want to finish this round.
Hindi nga ako gumagalaw. Nakita kita. Ayun ka, oh. Malapit ka lang. Sa likodan mo lang ako.
Okay, okay. If you're behind me, we're safe, we're safe. We're so close. Don't die. Huwag ka mamatay. Malapit na tayo.
Oh!
Nag-fall siya. Nag-taunt lang siya ng red. Ng green. Tapos nabigla na siya nag-red. Okay!
Ate,
I'm past the line.
Help me.
Saka na. Ikaw ba yun?
Mm-mm. gitna.
Ay, tutulungan ka niya. Oh, that's so good.
Don't move! Very
Aw,
sweet.
thank you, sweet stranger. What's your name? What's your name? Lo.
Ay, sorry. Ayun pala yung Parkinson. Bakit mo ako sasampakin?
That's for you.
Bakit mo ako sinapak?
Sinapak mo ako eh.
Gusto mo sapakin din kita?
Sapakin din kita. Sapakin din kita.
Ano ako ginagawa?
Ah!
Sapak.
I don't know how to control it.
Ano yun? Go!
Pilay.
No. Hindi ako pilo yun. Sige.
Okay.
30 seconds.
That's our friend. That's our Macy. With shot in her leg, si Pilay.
I'm not pilay, guys. Di ako pilay in real life. Napulat. Wala. Ano?
That's on you. Buti nga. Deserve. Ang tagal naman. I want to go to the next round already.
Ano ba yung next one dito?
I don't know. Hindi pa ako nakakalipas ng red light, green light before.
Hindi ka natin. Ano dyan eh.
Don't get too close. Huwag ka daw masyadong malapit sa guard.
Saan ba yung guard?
Ewan ko. Huwag daw lapitan. Don't get too close. Okay. I understand. Boom. What happened?
Tumatay.
Ah! May push na ako.
Push. Ipupush ko dito si ate. Kung sa green light, red light lang yan. Ipupush ko siya palabas.
I'm going to abuse that push. Asan ka na? Where are you?
Asan ka?
Ato, ikaw.
Bakit mo ako pinush?
Hindi kita pinush ah.
Pinush mo ako.
Hindi ah.
Nakita ko.
Hindi ah. Naka-cooldown ako. Uy, let's go, let's go.
Tara na, tara na. Ano kaya? Ito.
What game? I don't remember.
Ito
Ato ba yung cookie?
Nakapila tayo.
Wait. Alam ko ata ito yung ating cookie. Kung basing to sa ano.
Dito ka.
Ah, yung picture! Iconic, iconic. Smile.
Ako na.
Boom! Beautiful. Alam ko cookie na to, yung cookie game.
Ate, just wait me. Can you
What?
wait me? Asan ka?
Basta sumunod ka lang sa mga arrows. Dalgona! Sabi ko ni.
Ay, nung gustong gusto ko.
Why is it all white?
Dito ako.
Ikaw ba yan?
Ito ka!
Yan nga, dito nga.
So, ano gagawin?
Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Sino yung nanulak?
Uy, di ako yun.
Oh my gosh, abusing ko si... Akyat pala tayo, okay. Ah, no? Dito lang tayo. Okay.
Ate, ano ba naman yan? Paalis-alis ka, di na kita makita.
Saan ba tayo? Dito tayo sa gitna.
Asan ka?
May bandage na ako, okay.
Asan ka? Hala, nambabaril. Saan ka tayo?
Sa baba. I'm down here.
Din ako.
Andito ako sa may
Ito ka.
black door. Yan na, start na.
Dali ko.
Hello?
Kalabuhan ako.
I'm so nervous. I don't have any Robux, so okay. Hello, si Kuya Gord. He's so mean. Nanulak.
Bakit
Let's start,
ako?
let's
Ano
start.
kaya to? Ano kaya?
What? What shape?
Ano kaya to?
Umbrella.
Ano tong akin? Hindi ko siya nakita.
Why am I an umbrella?
Ayun, akin!
What's that?
Ewan.
Try- This is so unfair.
Over. Paano to, Tim?
This is basic. Hold mo lang, tapos drag.
Oh no, di ko gets. Nakasunod kasi ako. Hindi ko gets. Namatay ako. Hindi ko siya get.
Ilulong press mo lang, tapos ihilahin mo.
Nakalang, ano nga ako? Press.
Okay, I won. Umbrella cookie. I ate it, of course.
Ate, may bandage ka, diba? Buhayin mo.
Wala ka naman. Where's your body? Para sa akin naman eh. Yeah, so she died again.
Hindi ko kasi.
Of course, she died again. But it's so fun. It was quite impossible. Where are you?
Pinagkakagulan nila.
Saan ka na ba? Patingin.
Yung ko, sarapan lang kita.
Can I use this on you? No? Okay, it's...
Ayoko na nito tayo.
I'm all alone.
Ano na lang tayo, OB?
Later. I'm going to play till I die. So... let's try again later. Oh, no, that's mine. Give me the food. Give me the food. Give me the food. Give me the food. Akin na yan, mga guys. Huh? Oh, wait. Why can't I get food? Yes! What's soda?
Soda pop.
With onigiri. Okay, thank you. Akit na ako sa bunk bed ko, guys.
Nahuhulog.
Bunk bed sa taas, ayoko sa baba.
Nandito ko nga eh.
Because it's Roblox.
Taas ako eh.
Well, you're dead.
Eh di okay.
No! How can I die in a 1v1?
Namatay ko.
Uy, don't target me, guys. Takbo!
I-hopper ko talaga. Oo, kaya ko nun eh.
I don't... Ah! My gosh. I have to use the bandage na.
Bro. Ilan pa bandage mo?
Nah, I have to survive. No! I don't know if I'm attacking anyone. I'm just picking up bandages.
Wala ko ng bandage.
Nakuha ko ng bandage, ang dami nalalapag eh. Hindi ko alam kung nakaka-atake ako eh. Yun. Yeah, die.
Sa ilan nakatutok yung camera ko.
Yeah. Watch me win.
Watch me Superman. Sino pala?
I have to hide, and go.
Uy, bawal mag-hide, maduga ko.
Oh,
Mag-hide.
what happened? Flashbang?
Patayin si ate.
No.
Patayin niya si ate, guys. Maduga ko yung pag ako pinapatay nito siya.
Up, and I win. No! Where are they shooting me?
Punta ka
Hindi
lang.
ako binabaril. I'm innocent.
Punta ka lang.
The money,
Innocent
guys.
ka?
It's all for the money.
Sheriff ako eh.
Oy, bandage. Is that a bandage?
Sheriff ako te. dati.
Hide and seek, tug of war. Tug of war, of course.
Ano yun?
Hilahan.
Ate ko what I can do. Ewan.
Ano, dalgona is made with only sugar and baking soda. It's very easy. We don't have baking soda right now. Maybe next time. Of course, we're gonna vlog that too when we make dalgona. And we're gonna make a challenge. Sino kaya? Sino manalo, we will win 500 pesos. Joke lang. Why would I put that much?
Ano lang, 100 lang or 50. 50 lang, te. Ate, sabi ko ano.
I'm not dead yet.
Sabi ko, pili mo ko ng tira-tira.
Tiran kita.
Sa ano nga yung masarap na yun? 149 lang.
Okay, later. I'm going to buy that for you later.
Later daw tapos magsisilpon. Aminin.
No. We're gonna win tug of war.
Tapos na po.
First time ko ganito umabot. I usually die at red light, green light. So, this is a new feeling. Let's dance. Can I join? Aww.
Ha?
Kala ko makikipag-dance-dance tayo, guys.
back.
Welcome back, contestants. This is a game of strength and strategy. Oh my gosh. Hati-hati tayo, guys. Teams. Kailangan natin each end maghila. Sino na natumumba? Siya talo.
Sorry na lang.
Siyempre, I'm a winner. I'm going to win. Winner tayo, guys, di ba?
Tulakin yun sa green light, red light.
Wala, ba't ako yung unang-una? Ba't ako yung malapit sa edge? Wala, dapat ako yung nasa dulo. Ay, leader ako? Wala, lala. Hello. Oh my
Leader ka
gosh.
nga. Oh!
Oh my god. Ala, wag mo pinitin! Don't get me distracted. Lo, I'm all... Ah!
Natalo!
Oh, sorry guys. I'm hanging for dear life. Aww. But that was an experience. Good game. Nah, I wasn't ready.